Hi guys, I wanna share with you a great product I recently got. It's a Hydro X shower head. And guys, I just love it. It says here Hydro X 1 shower head 3 experience, and it's totally true. It has 3 different amazing modes: Spa, Saver and Spiral. And it's very easy to use. If you want to change the type of shower, you can just move the head in one of 3 possible positions.
Hey guys, so today I want to share with you 2 products from ThanhC. So the first is the blackhead removal serum and the second is the pore control refining serum. Now these are 2 products that work absolutely great hand in hand. So let me tell you more about each one. So the blackhead removal serum is great for the following: getting rid of blackheads from the nose quickly, purifying and smoothing the skin effectively, shrinking pores, and removing excess oil and dirt. It functions by soaking the skin gently, dissolving, softening the cutin, and then removing the blackheads that have accumulated over time in your pores. This then purifies the skin and allows the pores to shrink now that they've been emptied. Next up, how to use it. Put a decent amount on the nose that can be covered with the little sheet like this in the areas where you need it. After 15 minutes, remove the little sheet on your nose, and if you want, you can use an acne needle. And then 3, rinse with water. So here's a quick little before and after of what my nose looked like with the blackheads, and then after using the product. Honestly,